Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success effortlessly, while others struggle for years with no results? It's not luck. It's not chance. It's the silent power that lives inside you, your subconscious mind. And if you learn to master it, success will no longer be a distant dream. It will become your natural state. Hello and welcome back to the channel, my friends. I'm Napoleon Hill. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful forces known to man, the subconscious mind, and how it determines your success or failure. Every thought you think, every belief you hold, every word you repeat to yourself is building the foundation of your destiny. The subconscious mind is not just a part of you. It is you, the interior world, that shapes your exterior reality. You see, success begins not in the physical world, but in the unseen world of thoughts, emotions, and mental images. Your subconscious is like the soil of a garden. Whatever seeds you plant there, whether of faith or fear, abundance or poverty, confidence or doubt, will grow and appear as the circumstances of your life. If you plant positive thoughts and nurture them with belief, your exterior world will bloom with opportunity and prosperity. But if you fill your mind with worry, doubt, and limitation, then the harvest will match those seeds: confusion, failure, and stagnation. Your conscious mind is the gardener. It chooses what to plant, but your subconscious is the fertile ground that never says no. It simply accepts whatever you impress upon it through repetition and emotion. That's why so many people unknowingly program themselves for failure. They say, "I can't," "it's too hard," or "I'll never be rich," and their subconscious takes those statements as commands. It then sets out to make them true in the external world. The key is understanding that your subconscious does not distinguish between reality and imagination. If you vividly imagine yourself successful, prosperous, and confident, your subconscious begins to believe it's already true. It then directs your actions, attitudes, and even your environment to align with that belief. This is why faith, genuine belief without doubt, is the master key to success. Faith communicates to your subconscious that your desire is already yours, and the subconscious then creates the means to bring it into being. Many people live entirely on the exterior, chasing results, trying to fix circumstances, and reacting to the world around them. They don't realize that the world they see is just a mirror reflecting the one they've built within. Your job is not to fight the reflection, but to change the image that's producing it. When your interior world becomes calm, focused, and full of faith, your exterior world begins to transform naturally. Think of the subconscious mind as a powerful engine running beneath the surface. It never sleeps. It controls your habits, your creativity, your intuition, and even your body's automatic functions. While your conscious mind might be occupied with daily tasks, your subconscious is always at work, attracting people, ideas, and opportunities that match your dominant mental state. The first step toward success, therefore, is awareness. Become aware of what you are feeding your mind. What are your recurring thoughts? What stories do you tell yourself about who you are and what's possible for you? Because those thoughts are not harmless, they are instructions. They shape your destiny. If you want to reprogram your subconscious for success, start by replacing negative affirmations with positive ones. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I am capable and determined." Instead of, "I'll never succeed," say, "I am attracting success in everything I do." Speak these statements not mechanically, but with emotion, because emotion is the language of the subconscious. Feel the truth of your words, and your subconscious will accept them as commands. Another powerful tool is visualization. Each night before you sleep, picture yourself living your dream life. Imagine the feeling of achievement, the joy of success, the gratitude of already having what you desire. Your subconscious is most receptive in that half-awake, half-asleep state. Feed it positive images, and it will begin to rearrange your reality accordingly. Never underestimate the influence of your environment. The people you associate with, the books you read, the media you consume, all of it imprints upon your subconscious. Surround yourself with positivity, ambition, and inspiration. The subconscious absorbs energy like a sponge, and if you are surrounded by negativity, it will seep into your thoughts and beliefs. The interior world is the blueprint. The exterior world is merely the construction site. If the blueprint is filled with fear, the building will crumble, but if it's drawn with faith, confidence, and purpose, your life will stand as a monument to success. Your subconscious mind has one purpose: to express whatever it has been impressed with. When faith replaces doubt, when purpose replaces confusion, when discipline replaces laziness, success becomes inevitable. So remember this truth: you do not get success, you become success from the inside out. Your subconscious mind responds to every dominant thought you hold with unwavering loyalty. It cannot resist or reject, it only obeys. And therein lies the great secret of every successful person who has ever lived. They understood that success is not something you chase, it's something you program. Let me share with you an example. When Thomas Edison was working to invent the electric light, he faced thousands of failures, yet he never allowed the word failure to take root in his subconscious. He programmed his mind with persistence, determination, and unwavering belief that success was inevitable. His subconscious mind, in turn, kept feeding him ideas, insights, and energy to continue until he succeeded. That's the law. Whatever you consistently think and believe, your subconscious turns into reality. It doesn't happen overnight, but it happens inevitably. The subconscious mind is like a loyal servant. It will do exactly what it is told, but it requires clear, repeated, emotionally charged instructions. So how do we use this power deliberately? Begin by identifying what you truly want. Write it down in clear, definite terms. The subconscious loves clarity and hates vagueness. Don't say, "I want to be rich." Say, "I am earning $100,000 a year by doing work I love." Speak your goal in the present tense as if it is already yours. The subconscious doesn't operate in the future. It responds to the now. Once your desire is clear, begin to charge it with emotion. The more you feel it, the faster your subconscious accepts it. Feel gratitude as if your goal were already achieved. Gratitude is a bridge between the conscious and subconscious minds. It says, "I already have it," and the subconscious begins working to make that statement true. But remember, there's an interior world and an exterior world. The exterior might show delay, challenges, or even failure. Don't be deceived by appearances. Your subconscious works in silence. What you see outside is often just the old pattern still playing out. Keep your faith steady. The moment you doubt, you plant conflicting seeds and confusion grows instead of success. Persistence is the fuel that keeps your subconscious engine running. When you persist long enough, your subconscious begins to attract the right people, opportunities, and timing. You may suddenly get an idea, meet someone unexpectedly, or stumble upon a resource that brings your vision closer. That is no accident, that is your subconscious arranging the pieces. Think of it this way: your subconscious mind is your silent partner in the game of success. It never takes a day off, it never loses focus, it simply mirrors what you impress upon it. So impress it with confidence, faith in a definite purpose. Most people fail not because they lack ability, but because they let fear and doubt take over their subconscious. Fear is the great enemy of success because it paralyzes your faith. And remember, the subconscious accepts fear as easily as it accepts faith. That's why it's crucial to guard your mind daily. Every time a negative thought arises, replace it instantly with a positive one. Don't let it linger. Repetition builds dominance. Another key principle is self-talk. What you repeatedly say to yourself is what your subconscious becomes. When you say, "I'm not good enough," your subconscious doesn't argue, it obeys. When you say, "I am powerful, I am confident, I am successful," it also obeys. The difference is only in the quality of the command. To build an unshakable faith in your subconscious power, practice daily meditation or quiet reflection. Still your mind, let go of the noise. In silence, you can hear the voice of intuition, the language of the subconscious. That intuition will guide you toward your goals in ways logic never could. As your faith grows, your exterior life begins to reflect the harmony within. You'll notice that things start working in your favor more often. You'll feel calm under pressure, clear in purpose, and inspired to take consistent action. This is no coincidence, it's the alignment between your interior and exterior worlds. Once you understand this harmony, success becomes a natural expression of your state of being. You no longer chase it, you attract it through the magnetic power of belief. Now that you understand how the subconscious mind functions, let's explore how to maintain and expand that inner power throughout your life. Because success is not a one-time event, it's a continuous process of mental discipline, emotional control, and spiritual awareness. Your subconscious mind is always active. Even when you sleep, it processes ideas and impressions. That's why your last thoughts before bed are critical. They shape your mood, your energy, and even your problem-solving ability. If you go to sleep worrying, your subconscious works all night to create more worry. But if you go to sleep with faith and gratitude, your subconscious works to create opportunities and solutions. Every morning, begin your day by reaffirming your purpose. Speak your goals aloud. Feel them as real. This mental exercise sets the tone for the day. When you do this consistently, your subconscious begins to expect success, and expectation is a creative force. One of the greatest secrets of successful people is their ability to act as if their goal is already achieved. This isn't pretending, it's aligning. When your actions, words, and emotions are aligned with the belief that success is certain, the subconscious arranges the external world to match that vibration. Your subconscious mind is also influenced by repetition. The more often you expose it to a message, the stronger that message becomes. That's why daily affirmations, visualization, and gratitude practices are so powerful. You are reprogramming your mental software every day. But remember, the subconscious cannot create something that contradicts your true belief. If you say, "I am successful," but secretly feel unworthy, the subconscious will follow your deeper emotion, not your words. Therefore, self-worth and self-image are vital. You must see yourself as deserving of success. Believe that you are good enough, capable enough, and worthy enough to receive all that you desire. The subconscious mind responds to identity, not effort alone. You don't achieve success by struggling for it. You achieve it by becoming the kind of person who naturally attracts it. When your identity shifts, your results follow automatically. Let me tell you this, my friend, your exterior world is the mirror of your interior convictions. If you want wealth, feel abundant now. If you want love, express love now. If you want peace, cultivate calm now. The outer cannot resist the inner. Throughout history, every great leader, inventor, and creator has understood this truth. They trusted the unseen power within them. They were guided by intuition, not fear, and that guidance always came from their subconscious mind. So how do you deepen this connection? Through faith, gratitude, and continuous mental nourishment. Read positive books, listen to inspiring voices, Fill your mind with words that uplift and empower you. Protect your mental garden as if your future depends on it, because it does. And when challenges arise, and they will remember that they are tests of your faith. The subconscious doesn't fail you during hard times. It reveals what's already programmed within. If fear arises, replace it with faith. If doubt whispers, answer it with determination. Each time you do this, you strengthen the foundation of success within you. You are the master of your mind. You hold the pen that writes your destiny. The subconscious will bring you anything you demand of it, provided you truly believe. So dare to dream big, believe without wavering, and act with confidence. The greatest tragedy in life is not failure, it's living below your potential, because you never learned to command your own mind. The greatest victory is not in conquering the world, but in mastering the world within. When your interior and exterior worlds move in harmony, success ceases to be a struggle. It becomes a reflection, the outer image of your inner faith. So today, plant only the seeds of success. Feed your subconscious with love, courage, and vision. Expect great things, and they will come. You are more powerful than you know. The key lies not outside of you, but within you, in that silent, unseen, limitless power of your subconscious mind.